Bridget just made a new friend. Dog's name is Nimsy, which is short for Nimrod. There's an actual town in Minnesota, believe it or not. But we've got a windstorm right now, and there's about 70-mile-an-hour winds, and we don't have power.
Okay, sit. That's
Got
enough.
candles. But you gotta check these glasses out. Let me hold that.
I'm still in this.
You hungry? Ready for this? Woo! Bacardi Mango and Mountain Dew. It is delicious.
I agree. Tasty.
Well, because it's I don't know, it's one of the only places I know I've got power, and two, the only place I can get shingles. Oh, that's our pool. Yeah. Well, a couple houses down, they were already getting shingles when the girls got home yesterday. Is that Roxy's pool?
I think so.
Oh, man, that's disgusting. Come on.
Oh my god, it's so cold. Let's go through the house.
Okay. Thought about.
Okay, so over on Boone, there's a pine tree that's like twice this size. That's over.
Did you see the one? Did you see the one that came down there?
I see.
It was like this, a little bit taller, and one of them split, like totally blocking the whole road.
I mean, we're talking like big tree. Like you can't wrap your arms around trees.
Well, and then like the last storm we had over on John Gay, there was one that completely uprooted, like probably one as big as one of those guys.
Yeah, you can
It
see
up-
the roots. It, just
it
was
uprooted.
Like this. It was like. You
I
could
know.
See all the roots and. It was like, holy fucking hell.
I know.
Ugh. Brr. It's warmer in here though.
That's a good thing.
Yeah, for now.
Yeah.
I'm putting my piggies on. If they didn't get peed on. They didn't.
Come on, dogs. It's a tiny little generator.
I know.
I know.
No.
Missy, where did you get that toy? Huh? I'm surprised we don't have any branches down. Did you? Yeah. Because your cat is stepping in my cat's food and eating his food out of the other bowl.
I was like, this ain't my food. I must stand.
I don't know how to manipulate fire
Right.
or what.
Yes, you do. We got soup and pizza sticks and burritos. They're actually pretty damn good.
You know what
With
our
Cheez-Its.
favorite thing ever to do
What?
on nights without power was? Go to bed early.
Oh, so now you're eating the other food too?
What?
Do you have to stand in the bowl to eat the food, dude? I guess so.
I used your water here to quench my tongues.
So, we're still without power. This is what, day 2?
Yep, day 2.
Day 2. We have power! No, stay. We went, what, like 30 hours without power?
Yeah, boy.
We were planning for like
We're in
5
for the long
days.
haul, son.
So it got down to 56 degrees in here last night. That's how cold it was. And it was, what, 30 degrees last night, Bridget? Got down to 30.
Yep.
Finn, do you have a warm blanket, Finn? Oh, you want me to plug that thing in?
Yeah.
Oh, jeez. So we went and bought hot soup. And we got a stove now.
I'm ready to make some coffee. Coffee. I haven't had coffee.
It's got to be unplugged. You help me?
Hold on.
What are you doing? Get out of here, bitch.
Thanks.
Get out.
Ow, it's my
Get
butt.
out.
Ow.
Out.
I need a lovely bunch of coconuts.
I want that plugged in over. I want that plugged in over here, so it comes up here, so I can use it too.
It can be there.
I need a bunch of lovely coconuts.
Yeah.
Coffee up in this is out.
Careful now.
That's what I want, and that's where it's going.
So then I need to plug this extension cord in.
So what?
So that I got some power over here.
You don't need no power over there.
Yeah, I do.
You can't handle the power.
Well, why not?
Don't want to
Okay.
mess with me.
It's so late now.
We should be in the light now. We could take a shower in an hour.
Yeah.
My balls are buttery, baby girl.
I took a shower earlier today.
Yeah, I'm glad you all got the option too.
Yeah. Do you see him? Hey, I covered the blanket and there he
He
is.
just wormed his way under there.
Yeah.
Just, you know, they made Dachshunds, so for carrying explosives into tunnels with enemy Viet Cong.
Did they?
Yep.
I fed the kids salad for lunch today, and they looked at me like I was
A nut.
they're like, what the fuck is this shit?
They're like, I don't want this shit. This isn't sweet. This isn't anything that I want. You got a fur ball? You hold him on here. Get You fur ball,
Go
you.
kitty! Ah. Are you attacking my cat?
Yeah, you almost got me too.
Okay, there's your phone.
Right here, we'll do
What?
this.
I want it.
We'll do this. See? Now here,
No,
here you go.
no! Oh, thanks for not using claws, baby boy. Kiss him up.
Kiss him back.
They were playing earlier. Oh. Oh. I know my house is a mess right now. We kind of been living in the dark for the last day, but it's actually been a mess since before then. So before we make any more videos, it's gonna be cleaned up. Yeah, Bridget's making coffee at what, 8 o'clock, 8:30 at night. What I didn't mean to come in here. I'm a little busy.
Oh, no, you gotta look at it.
See a shoulder kitty now?
I don't know, he might. Ah, no, he's a claw kitty! Oh, man, that hurt so bad.
Come here.
He did not drop far. Whoo-wee.